What's up guys, my name is Shoaib Shazli and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a smoke effect where you can replace your head with a smoke. So without wasting much time, let's get started. What's up guys, so welcome to my screen. These are the image we are using for the smoke edit. This is my image and this is the smoke image. You can get it on the internet. I got mine from unsplash.com. So all we have to do is to remove the background. You only need the smoke. You remove the background and this object there. So all you have to do is to select the quick selection tool, then you select and mask, then you select the places of the smoke. So this is all. I think this is what we need. Yes. No, that's a mistake. So your Ctrl Z, let's select it back. Yes. Something like this. Yes. I think that's enough. Then you have to bring your radius a little bit. Then you scroll down to smooth it. Let's have our smooth like 15 is okay. Our feather should be like 2.9 is okay too. Then you click on OK and you have your selection. You just have to press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then you turn off the layer of the previous image. Then you have your smoke. I have to rotate it. So the next thing you have to do is to enlarge my image, which I will click on it. Then I press my Ctrl T. Then I'll enlarge my image to a very big size. Let me zoom up the canvas so I can have more space. I'll make sure I enlarge my image very well. Then let me reduce it a little bit. I think it's okay like this. Then you click on the check mark. Then we have our image. So what you have to do now is to make sure you select the eraser tool. That's right. Then make sure you erase the head. While erasing, you have to be careful. And to be careful, you have to zoom in. Once you zoom in, you'll be able to know where you are erasing. So let me reduce my brush. So make sure you erase the head, the neck also. All you have to do is to leave the white color. Make sure you erase everything except the white color. As you can see, I'm trying my best to erase it little by little and to be accurate. As you can see that also. Make your brush a little bit smaller so you can go deeper. Make sure you erase everything except the color. As you can see, that's okay. We have the head erased from the body. So next you select on the smoke layer. Then you increase your brush back to normal size. Then you erase the sharp edge of the brush. I see there's a sharp edge there. You erase it, make sure it's smooth. So we have it like that. Then you click on the move tool, select the smoke. You can also enlarge it. Ctrl T. Then you enlarge the smoke. You enlarge it. Make sure you enlarge it. Then you set it to the place of the head. Then you set it to the neck place. It's not accurate, but just have to set it like that to later get it done. So make sure you set it like this. I think that's enough. Then you click on the check mark. So you zoom in to see how the place is. So after setting the smoke, so you make sure you zoom in to the neck where you are exactly. So what we are doing next is to bring the smoke layer below the neck. So I have to drag it until it shows this blue icon, until it shows this blue line. Then you As you can see, it automatically went below. The body came up, but where the smoke went below. As you can see, that's a nice one. So you can zoom out back. As you can see, that is nice smoke head effect. If you zoom in to check the neck, you can see it's also accurate with no problem. You can use the razor tool to trim the neck if you like, but we are coming to that. So you have to do next is to change the smoke color. I think that color is not enough. I think that color is not okay. Then we change it. It will go to the FX tab, color overlay. So we have a lot of color to choose. No. Let's check out green. No. You have a lot of color to choose. Any color you like. But me, I'm going for this green. You can choose anyone you like, but I'm going for the green. So you click on OK. Then you have our smoke head effect. So you can leave the background like this, or you can give it a gradient effect. So I'm going to give my gradient effect. So I have to go to the FX tab and click on gradient overlay. Click on the gradient. There are some preset gradients already, so I'm going to choose one of them. Okay. Let me just choose this. I think that's okay. So as you can see, we have our smoke head effect. The other things you can do, you can match the layers together, so you can color grade them. Match the layers together, then you have one image. Then you can go to your image adjustment. You can use the curves and levels to brighten or to darken the image. So what you can do next is to go, since you have matched the layers together, you can go to image adjustments. You can choose the exposure. It's too light, you can lighten it up, you can darken it. I'm going to something like this. You can also go to the levels to add brightness or darkness. You can also go to the curves tool. So I think we have our smoke effect. As you can see, it's a nice effect. You can use a picture, you can use any picture of a celebrity to do this. It's a very easy stuff to do on Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Photoshop tutorial like this. Thank you very much.